Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. Today I'm going to teach most important area of C#.NET, that is a date and time, how to use date and time. This is very useful concept for you all while developing the project. Okay, let me see how to use them. First we run and see the thing first. I didn't link this one, so let's link this one as form1 equal new form1 dot show. That's it. Let's run the program and see. If you click date here, most crucial part of the date will be coming here. If you want to display only for year, if you click this button, you can get it only for the year 2017. Here this one will be displayed. If you want to display only of your program month only, here if you click month only display, here this will be considered as month. If you want to display only day only, here day will be displayed as 10. Okay, if this, there will be another two options, long and short. Okay, what is the long and short? Let's click on the button and see. This long represent day, month and date and year. This is the long. If you click short, it will be the short one will be displayed like this, same thing. Okay, whatever when you display the date on your program, this one of the concept you can put in your program. Okay, that is very useful concept when you are developing the projects. Okay, when you put the date and time. Okay, this is the simple stuff. I'll explain how to write the code. Okay, let's close this one. Let's look at the demo of time also. Let's click on this one, time also. If you click hover, you can see this one will be 19, here 70, this one will be 19, will display hour. This minutes display 35, second display 49, millisecond display like this. Long time mean here this will be the long time it will be displayed. Here no milliseconds available here. Now it's okay, that one will be displayed. Okay, here like this. Now if it is a short time, you can also, there will be the function short time. Okay, I am explaining while writing the code. Okay, I hope you guys all understood the stuff. Now let's move into the coding part, how to write the coding of this program. It is very easy stuff. Okay, let's create the form. Choose the language as C#, Windows application, click OK. Now we need some buttons here. One text boxes we need for displaying the date. So we need buttons 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let's arrange them like this, something like that. First one for our date, display the date. So first what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to write here, let's put the name date here date and sorry, it's not 12 date, it's a year, month, this one will be day, this one will be long date, this one will be short date. That's it. Let me remove this one button. Okay, the simple coding here, you no need to bother about this. Okay, this is very easy stuff. Okay, you just double click on this button here. First you have to What is the button name? Text box 1. So when you click this year, the year will be displayed. So txt dot text property equal convert. You have to write convert dot to string, because the output will be convert and display. Okay, here what I'm going to do is I'm going to display only year. So first you have to write date time. Called date time, it's already there here. Date time dot date time dot today dot year. Just simple function you have to write. Okay, here if you click this one, if you click, this is the today, this is the year of the year. Okay, the current year will be displayed on the text box. Okay, here this is the simple coding you have to write: date time and today and year. Okay, please keep in remember, when you are writing the program, only display year only. The month, that is very easy stuff. Same thing and copy here and paste here. We don't need to write again by again. Okay, here only you have to change the at the last line only. Here year, here you have to display only month, so you have to put here month. That's it, simple stuff. Here day also same thing. At the last you have to put, instead of month you have to write it on day. Very simple stuff you have to write. Okay, keep in your mind. Let's execute the program and see. If you click year will be displayed. If you click month will be displayed. Day will be displayed successfully. The simple coding. Okay, here date time today, keep in remember. After that you can write whatever you want. Year, if you want year, month or day, whatever you want. Okay, now let's go to this part: short time, long time and short time. Same thing, and copy and paste. Here also you have to write here too long date string. That's it, too long date string. Here if you click this one, if you click long date, here this one will be displayed. If you want to short time, what I am going to do is, it is very easy. That's that thing also, the same thing. You have to write it on today dot to short date string. You have to call this method. That's it. Now you can see, if you click this one here, the short date will be displayed on your text box. This how you can call the date look like this. Okay, here the same thing, here it will display. Okay, keep in remember, this is the simple steps. Okay, you only have to, first you have to write it only date time dot today. This is the only things. Other functions are already available here, you can call it. Okay, this is the only thing you have to keep in remember. Okay guys, I hope you understood so far. Now let me move into the concept of date. Okay, so let's here, instead of the calling another form, we just expand the form little bit bigger. Here let's write another thing. This one for date, put heading as date. Let's make it as a big font, because this will be the heading of the program. Let's make it as a bold and 16. Click OK. Right, now here I'm going to write it on the time. So let's have a button, sorry, text box control. Okay, 1 need buttons, so I need 6 buttons. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's arrange them in the order. Now let's change the name here. First I'm going to change a server. Minute and second, millisecond, long time, this one will be short time. That's it. Well, let's double click on the hour. Here also you have to write this one called as textbox2. So textbox2 dot text equal, the same thing you have to write, convert dot toString method. Within the toString method you have to write date, time, same thing, no different. Here also second one also different. Here instead of the today you have to write now dot hour. That's it. After that, minutes, the same thing you have to copy, paste. Here instead of the hour you have to put it as minute. After that, second, also copy the same code you wrote above and paste, and here you have to write, instead of the minutes you have to write second, call as second. Here millisecond, you have to write, instead of minutes write millisecond. Here it's already there. Here after that, long time and short time, the two things available, the same thing you have to copy, paste. Here you have to write here as too long, the same thing. Here too long date string, here too long time string. Here also you have to write, here this one will be the function. You just make it as open curly bracket and close bracket, curly bracket, here like this. It's a function, you have to end with like this. Okay, another one is short time, because these are called as properties, this is called as function. How to identify the function mean it's end up with this bracket, it's called as function. Okay, copies and paste. Then the button here, instead of the too long time string, here you have to write too short string. That's it. Now I wrote the code as well. This code, there's only you have to write is here date time now. After that you have to put whatever you need, millisecond or second or minutes or too long time or short time. Long time you have to write 2 before you start. 2, don't write first log. Okay, 2. Okay, if you write log long, it never display the properties. Okay, you never access. Here also date also same thing else, something the same thing, too long date. Okay, now let's run the program and see what happened here. What happened here? If you click this, the hour will be displayed. If you click minutes will be displayed. Here this minute will be displayed. If you click second will be displayed, or second. Now here if you notice that here 61 will be displayed. This one will be the millisecond will be displayed. Here it will be the long date. Okay, this one will be the long date. You can here, if you long time, here long time will be displayed here. Okay, if the short time I displayed date, sorry, date instead of date, I wrote it wrong. Short time string. Here if you click short time, here short time will be displayed. Here long time will everything will be displayed. Everything will be displayed. This means not display here. Okay, here only this date, here time only will display. Okay, here this everything will be displayed long time. Okay, I hope you guys you understood this tutorial well. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me.